Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am R. Sriram. Major snowstorm on Thanksgiving. Severe weather to affect holiday parades cause travel delays. A major snowstorm is expected in the eastern and northern United States, with states like Ohio, Minnesota, Tennessee, North and South Carolina and New York set to be affected. This week, people will be out traveling or attending Thanksgiving holiday parades. However, the snowstorm could make celebrations difficult. The precipitation outlook for November 28 to December 2, 2024 shows above normal precipitation for several regions across the United States. In the Northeast, states such as New York, Vermont, New Hampshire and Maine are expected to experience wetter than average conditions. The Southeast will also see increased precipitation, particularly in Georgia, South and North Carolina and Florida. This forecast suggests that residents in these areas may encounter more frequent rain or snowfall compared to typical late November and early December patterns. In the Midwest, northern sections of North Dakota and Minnesota are projected to have above normal precipitation, which could lead to an early onset of heavier snowfall. Additionally, parts of southern coastal Alaska are expected to experience above average precipitation, indicating potential for significant snowfall or rainfall in the region. An AccuWeather senior meteorologist said, "A storm has the potential to snarl transit for those even traveling locally across portions of the Midwest and Northeast on Thanksgiving Day, and even those chasing Black Friday deals could contend with travel challenges." That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.